How to rapidly shift your reality. In today's topic, we will cover a method of reverse engineering to manifest our desires. When we engage in the practice of reverse engineering, we begin to act as if our desires have already been fulfilled. This transformative approach involves expressing gratitude not only for what we currently have, but also for what we desire, as if it is already ours. This powerful practice elevates our vibrational energy and creates a magnetic pull for attracting even more of what we want into our lives. Visualizing the outcomes of our desires serves a crucial purpose. It programs our subconscious mind, which in turn reveals the how-to formula necessary to bring our dreams to fruition. This process invites ideas and inspirations to flow into our consciousness, guiding us toward our goals. Our imagination and energetic field operate in harmony with the vibrational energies of the universe. When we focus on what we truly want, we align ourselves with the divine energy that exists in both wave and particle forms. Conversely, if we dwell on what we don't want, we inadvertently emit a frequency that interacts with the same unified field, manifesting those undesirable results that match that lower frequency. The principle of as within, so without is essential here. If our internal state is unhealthy or negative, it will manifest in our external reality. Therefore, it is vital to cultivate positive thoughts that stem from supportive beliefs if we wish for better outcomes. This requires us to examine and revise any limiting beliefs that do not contribute to our desired outcomes. As we come to understand, frequency is the universal language, a concept popularized by Nikola Tesla. Positive emotions, such as gratitude, joy, and excitement, generate higher frequencies, while negative emotions like fear, doubt, and anger emit lower vibrations. The frequency we project will ultimately shape our 3D reality. Thus, being a person of integrity or character is, tragically, not sufficient. We must also embody a higher frequency through our beliefs, thoughts, and feelings. Acknowledging our current reality. It's important to recognize that we are not meant to ignore our current circumstances or suppress our emotions. Life's challenges, whether they arise from the loss of a loved one, a divorce, financial struggles, or health issues, can be overwhelming. This is where reframing techniques become invaluable. In my experience, when I've lost loved ones, I have found healing by giving myself permission to grieve their loss and reframing those losses into opportunities for gratitude, reflecting on how they enriched my life. I ask myself, what lessons did I learn from them, and how did they contribute to my journey? By doing this, I shift my focus toward gratitude for the impact they had, rather than solely on the pain of their absence. When facing any challenge, it's essential to reflect on the insights we gain and consider how these experiences align with our future intentions. Are they paving the way toward our desired outcomes and goals? Often, even hardships serve a higher purpose in the grand scheme of our lives. Sustaining our vision. Once we've practiced reframing, it's crucial to continue visualizing the life we desire. Sustaining this vision through daily practices is necessary for bridging the gap between our current state and our aspirations. We must actively embody our desired identity with conviction. For instance, if your goal is to generate passive income, start acting from the belief that it is already yours. Affirm, I am grateful for my passive income that enables me to make a positive impact on humanity and live with peace of mind. Or, I appreciate my health and the support that reinforces my efforts, allowing me to see them pay off. When we consistently express that our wishes are already fulfilled, we align our mindset with abundance. It's important to ask for what we want while maintaining faith that, if it aligns with our higher purpose, it will manifest. Trusting the process. Expect your faith to be tested, as trusting the process is a continual practice. Learning to detach from outcomes is a skill that must be honed over time. As we work toward our goals, we may encounter distractions or negativity from others. It's crucial to remain focused on our journey and not be swayed by the opinions of those who may not understand our path. Often, naysayers are on the sidelines and not on the field, truly grasping the challenges we face as we nourish the seeds of our dreams. For those who have experienced hardship, trauma, or turmoil, it's essential to recognize the need to regulate your nervous system from the constant fight, or freeze response triggering the sympathetic nervous system, and inflammatory response versus the rest and digest parasympathetic state that establishes homeostasis. To counter this, then regular mindful practices are necessary to train the mind-body to perceive safety and sustain autonomy on a regular basis to achieve a balanced and grounded state. Overcoming doubts and fears. To overcome doubts and fears, commit to taking consistent steps toward your goals each week. Engage in hobbies, explore new projects, or develop different talents. By focusing our energies on various pursuits, we create a sense of freedom that allows our desires to materialize without resistance. This doesn't mean stepping away from our goals. Rather, it's about sidestepping any obstacles and releasing our resistance to what we truly want. By integrating the principles of reverse engineering, gratitude, visualization, and reframing into our daily lives, we can profoundly shift our reality. Remember, every step you take, no matter how small, is part of your journey toward manifesting the life you desire. Embrace the process, trust your path, and continue to elevate your frequency. Your dreams could be closer than you think. Quick manifestation steps. 1. Setting clear intentions. State what you want. Don't underestimate the key step of how articulating specific desires creates a roadmap for manifestation. Practical exercise. I highly encourage you to write down your top 3 desires, explaining why you want it and writing them down to solidify your intentions. 2. Affirmations and gratitude. Affirmations. Positive affirmations can rewire the subconscious mind. For example, I am worthy of my dreams, or I attract abundance effortlessly. Gratitude practice. The dual practice of thanking the universe for what you currently have and for what you wish to receive is a way to double down on your efforts. This helps produce neurochemicals, fostering a positive mindset. Interactive element. Pause and think of 3 things you are grateful for right now. What can you live without? 3. Visualizing your dreams. The power of visualization. Describe how visualization aligns with the vibrational energy of the universe. Use metaphors like operating on the same wavelength as your desires. Guided visualization. I encourage you to close your eyes and imagine your desired outcomes in vivid detail, engaging all your senses until you feel it and the outcome of your desire. 4. Aligning with higher frequencies. Frequency and vibration. Our thoughts emit frequencies that interact with the universe. As Tesla explained that frequency is the universal language. Emotional awareness. Cultivate positive emotions, gratitude, excitement, love, and recognize the impact of negative emotions on our reality. Personal reflection. Think of a brief personal story about a time you shifted your focus from negative to positive and the results that followed. 5. Reframing challenges. Facing adversity. Everyone faces challenges. By reframing difficult experiences, it can provide new growth opportunities. Reframing technique. Learn how to identify lessons in our struggles. For example, when experiencing loss, focus on what you gained from that person's presence in your life. Encourage journal reflection. I suggest journaling about past challenges and the lessons learned to reinforce this technique. 6. Daily practices for sustaining change. Consistency is key. I can't emphasize enough the importance of daily practices in bridging the gap between current reality and desired outcomes. Acting as if. The concept of acting as if your goals are already achieved is the key to an abundant mindset. For instance, if seeking financial freedom, embody the mindset of someone who is financially secure. Daily affirmation routine. Start every day in a flow state with a morning routine of affirmations and visualizations to set the tone for the day. 7. Dealing with doubts and external naysayers. Expecting challenges. Just a reminder that doubts and fears are natural to everyone, even millionaires. That's why techniques such as these are critical to help manage them, like mindfulness and grounding exercises. Detach from outcomes. The importance of detaching from specific outcomes while remaining open to possibilities promotes a sense of freedom and allows us to be receptive to our desires. Community and support. If you need more support, you can seek supportive communities or accountability partners who share your vision. If you need additional help working through deeper core issues to save your marriage, transform your health or financial situation, you can book a private one-on-one session or take our P.A.N.A.C.E.A program. You can also download a free holistic psychotherapy workbook. Look for the link in description. Again, check out our P.A.N.A.C.E.A system, which is a step-by-step process to program to recode beliefs and epigenetic patterns, generally from generational influences, to help overcome fear, resistance, and get to the core or root of the problem, unlocking the door to a freer, better life that you have been trying hard to access with the wrong key. To explore more, visit our website at liberatedliving.com/programs. We also have free training videos on our Turnkey practitioner business in a box. Visit holisticschool.online/programs. Thanks for joining me. Like and subscribe for more free content like this.